Algebra heroes, welcome back to Balcony Classroom. In the previous episode, we dealt with a plus b into a minus b. We saw the magic of squares. We found a shortcut and that saves lots of work. But what if we enter into the world of cubes? A plus b whole cube into a minus b whole cube. Come on, let's dive into the topic. Let's start. Now, what is a plus b into a minus b? That is nothing but a square minus b square. What was a plus b whole square? That is nothing but a plus b into a plus b is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now guess what would be a plus b whole cube? Is it a cube plus b cube? No, so many kids do this mistake. It is not a cube plus b cube. Let's dive in and see what is a plus b whole cube. Now, what is a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube means a plus b is multiplied 3 times. A plus b into a plus b into a plus b. We already know what is a plus b whole square, right? So, what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. That you have to multiply again with a plus b. This is a distributive property. Multiply a with all the digits of this bracket plus multiply b with all the digits of this bracket. Let me go step by step. A multiplied with a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b multiplied with a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now again open the bracket by following the distributive property. Multiply a with all the terms of the bracket. A with a square is nothing but a cube plus 2ab into a is 2a square b plus a b square plus b a square plus 2a b square plus b cube. Now we already know how to pair up the algebraic similar terms, right? A cube is not similar with anything, so write it aside, and b cube also. Now what about this 2a square b? Is anything having a square b as a variable? Yes, this one. So the coefficients, please add both of them. The coefficient of a square b is 2 and the coefficient of b a square is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3a square b plus again ab square and 2ab square, that is 3ab square. Now let's rearrange. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the identity. Now let's write this identity again. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. See, to remember, it's a pattern. First write down a cube plus b cube. Okay, all the terms should have 3 as the degree. 2 plus 1 3. Again here 2 plus 1 3. So remember like that. And the coefficients are, remember the pattern as 1 3 3 1. 1 3 3 1 for coefficients, and powers are all add up to 3. See here, this is 3. This will be 2 plus 1, 3. This will be 1 plus 2, 3. And this is also 3. Found out the trick? Hooray! We unlocked an algebraic identity. Now let's solve some examples. Let's see. Let's take a simple example. 2 plus 1 whole cube. Without the identity, it is very easy. What is 2 plus 1? 3. 3 cube is 27. Right? Now let's take a little complicated example. Let's take 27 plus 35. Now let's take one algebraic expression like x plus 1 whole cube. How do you expand this one? It is similar to a plus b whole cube, but here a is x and b is 1. So how do you write? What's the formula? A cube, that is x cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. So what is x cube? X cube is x cube only. 3 into 1 is 3. 3x square plus 3 into 1 is 3x plus x cube. Now comes the interesting part of the video, algebra detective. Let's try expand y plus 2 whole cube. Expand y plus 2 whole cube. If you are able to do it before I reveal the answer, please type hashtag algebra detective. The timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now I reveal the answer. What is the formula? Y cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. So y cube is y cube plus 3 into 2 is 6y square plus 3 into 2 square is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12y plus 2 cube is 8. Wow, if you are able to get this answer before me, please write comment down hashtag algebra detective. Now comes our next identity. What is it? The opposite, a minus b whole cube. Now let's try expanding it. What is a minus b again? A minus b into a minus b into a minus b. We already know what is a minus b whole square. The formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square into a minus b. Expand this bracket as I told you previously. Multiply with a with the whole bracket. A into a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply a with all the bracket terms. A into a square is a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square. Now here you are multiplying with minus b. So the signs of the bracket changes. Minus b into a square is minus ba square. Minus b into minus 2ab is plus 2ab square. Minus b into plus b square is minus b cube. Now rearranging the terms by adding and subtracting equal terms, like terms, minus 2a square b and minus ba square. That is nothing but minus 3a square b. Here plus ab square plus 2ab square, that is plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is how you got the formula. Hooray, we unlocked the other algebraic identity. Now let's see how to remember it. Okay. Let us write the identity again. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here if you see again, the rule for coefficients is 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay. Keep it aside. And also the powers are 3 and this is also 3, this is also 3 and this is 3. Okay, the powers are all 3. Now let us understand why these terms, how to remember the terms. See, if you see the algebraic identity, the value is minus b. So minus b, when you are multiplying only once, the sign changes to minus only. Okay, if it is squared, minus b whole square becomes b square, right? So the answer is plus only. Here the last term, it is minus b whole cube. That is nothing but minus b into minus b into minus b. That is minus b cube. That is how you got, wherever you have b term as odd number. I repeat again, 1 minute. I'll repeat again. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Wherever you have b term or power as odd number, here the power is 1, here the power is 2, here the power is 3, okay, odd number, right? So if wherever you have odd number power, the sign will change. Here the power, odd number power is there, so the sign has changed from plus to minus. Okay, here it is even number, so the sign will remain the same. Okay, now here the power has is odd number, so the sign will change from plus to minus. This is how you have to remember. Now let's take one example. Let's take 2 minus 1 whole cube. Without using identity, very easy. 2 minus 1, 1 cube is 1. Okay, with using identity, 2 cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. 8 minus 3 fours are 12 plus 3 twos are 6 minus 1. What is 8 plus 6? 14. 12 and 13 minus 13 is equal to 1. This is how you use identity. But let's make it a little complicated example. Let's see y minus 1 whole cube. What is y minus 1 whole cube? Y cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. What is y cube? Y cube is y cube. 3 into 1 is 3, 3y square plus 3y minus 1. This is how you use your identities. Today, we unlocked two important cubic identities, that those are a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Remember, algebra is not about just memorizing the formulas. They are about understanding the patterns. Here, today, we unlocked a secret hidden pattern, right? 1 3 3 1, which helps in solving so many algebra problems in the future. In our next balcony classroom session, we are going to unlock the secret of factorization. Let us understand in our next episode. If you like today's episode, please like, share and subscribe to Zaplearn. Thank you. See you in the next class.